Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Kashif Ibrahim, and this lesson is about the basic introduction of Microsoft Word. So let's start. To start Microsoft Word, this is Windows 8. Click on the Start button, and I have my Microsoft Word icon over here. Click on it. This is starting. This is the basic screen of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is the part of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is the bunch of software. It is a suite of softwares which is having a number of different softwares available in it for different applications. Like for word processing, we use Microsoft Word. For spreadsheet, we use Microsoft Excel. For presentation, we use PowerPoint, and similarly for database purpose, we use Microsoft Access. So these are the four main softwares of Microsoft Office which are available in it. Microsoft Word is for word processing purpose. Means you can make your documents, you can make your applications, notes, any text you can type in it. It is a full-fledged word processor. So different versions are available in the market. For example, previously we had 2003, Microsoft Office 2003. So we had Word 2003. It had totally a different look and feel. Then we had 2007. Then we had 2010, and now in market 2013 is also available. But on my computer, I have Microsoft Word 2010, and this has also been used in your Book Right Byte 3 to discuss Microsoft Word processing. So this is the basic screen. You can see here we have a number of different tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. And from here we have File menu. In File menu we have Save. If you want to save your file, then Open if you have already made your document. And similarly we have a number of options here. To print, we have Print command, and this is for Exit. In this lesson we are going to discuss some basic level commands and some shortcut keys. For this purpose I use here an already made file. It is a test which was given in previous class, if you remember. Many of you have already seen it. So you can see over here under every tab we have a number of buttons, number of tools. We will discuss some of them. To type in Microsoft Word, everybody knows it is not very difficult. You just keep on typing. This is your cursor. Normally the alignment of your document is from left side. You can see my cursor is typing from left to right. Here I have changed the alignment. This is in middle or center, but normally we use left alignment, and this is the default alignment which is available when you run your Microsoft Word. The font size means the size of your writing on page. Right now it is 15. You can see. You can change it from here. If I change it to 10, now my font size will be reduced. Okay. If you want to delete it, you can use backspace key to remove the character backward. Similarly, if you have typed something and your cursor is here and you want to delete it, you can use del key. Right. Okay. Similarly, we have different fonts available here, a number of different fonts. Which font will be visible, it depends on that how many fonts you have installed, but by default we have a number of fonts already available in Microsoft Word. These are the fonts which are installed in your window. We have a number of fonts. You can also install extra fonts from your window if you want to, but normally we don't need it because we already have so many fonts available here. So select any of them. For example, I select this one. Or you can select another one. For example, this one. So you can select any of the fonts of your choice, and if you want to change the font or font size of any previous data, you can select it by using your mouse, and then you can select the font and font size from here. Similarly, to make your document bold, to make your text bold, you select it, and we have here 3 styles available: bold, italic and underline. You can select any of them. Multiple styles can be applied. It will carry on the same style. So afterward, if you want to remove it, this is a toggle switch. You can press it again and the effect will be removed. Okay. Now these 3 are different justifications: left justification, center justification and right justification. So you can justify your text as your requirement. And for same commands we can use shortcut keys also. Control E is used for center, Control L for left justification, and Control R for right justification, and Control J is for justified. Means if you carry on your typing and you press enter key, you are coming on the next line, and you can see that your whole line has been justified from left to right in all area. Otherwise, if you keep it left, you will see some portion from the right side will be left, where the next word is not accommodatable. So this is how you can use. Similarly, shortcut keys are available for font size as well. You can use control open bracket. I select it from here. Control open bracket and close brackets for increasing and reducing font size. Shortcut keys are useful because if you want to increase the speed of your work, then you better use shortcut keys. Similarly, Control B is used for making text bold. This is a toggle switch. Again, Control B I am pressing to unbold my text. Control I to italicize, make the text italic, and Control U, you can see I am removing and making the text underlined by using the same key. Control U is for underline, Control I for italic, and Control B to make the text bold or unbold. So now I have told you these 4-5 shortcut keys: Control B, Control I, Control U to make your text bold, italic and underline, Control bracket open, square bracket open and square bracket close to change the font size, and from here you can change font. Otherwise, Control D key is used to display the whole dialog box. Control D, and on this dialog box a number of different options are available. You can change font size, font style, you can even change font color, and different effects you can throw on your text, and all these are available. You just select the text and then press Control D and you will have detailed options available here. Preview is shown over here. In preview, whichever effect or whichever command you will apply, that will be displayed here. Subscript, superscript, double strike, hidden, all caps. Similarly, color can be changed from here. Red color. So you can apply any of the commands from here which are available. Cancel it. Then we have some commands like, if I delete this one, for example, by mistake I remove this text. I have pressed some key, I had selected the text and then by mistake I press space bar or backspace or del key. Now my whole text has gone, whole paragraph has gone. So now what should I do? To undo any previous command, we use Control Z. To undo any previous command, we use Control Z. So you can use Control Z as many times to undo previous commands. And Control Y is used to redo the same command. Control Z, Control Y. Control Z and Control Y. Control Z is used very frequently because when you are working, especially in the start, in the beginning, you will make a number of mistakes. So this shortcut key is very important. So this is how justifications commands can be used. Similarly, we have some other shortcut keys. Let's see. For example, if you want to change the line spacing of any document, I select this one. Right now this is, I think, 1.5 line spacing between lines. So you can use Control 1, Control 2 and Control 5. These are the 3 shortcut keys which are used for line spacing. Control 1 is for single line spacing. As you can see, the line spacing has been changed. Control 2 is for double line spacing, and Control 5 is for 1.5 line spacing as it was before. Control 1, Control 2 and Control 5. Okay. Then we have another shortcut key to check spelling of your document. That is F7 key. F7 key is used to check spelling of the document. It has a built-in dictionary. Your all document words are matched with the dictionary words, and if they are not found in the dictionary, then it will give you some suggestion. For example, this is not an error, so I can ignore it. Similarly, I can ignore it again. Word which you feel that it is correct, sometimes because there are different spellings which are used in US system and UK system. For example, color. In the dictionary, the spelling of the color would be COLOR in MS Word dictionary. But actually, if you write COLOUR, that is also correct because it is used in British system. So there are many words which are actually correct, but in spelling and grammar, it will show you some error and give you some suggestion. So if you feel they are correct, you can ignore them. And you can go to next sentence. Okay. So this is how you can check the whole document. Control 1. We have another command which is called bullets and numbers. For example, here I have used numbers. If you want to write some data in points form, in that case it will be used for that purpose. For example, here I have used numbers. I can select it. If I reapply it, it will become simple. You have this text, you just select the data and then click on numbering and you will have number. Actually, it has started from the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can change its style also. For example, if you want to select this one, a number of different options are available, whichever suits you. So when I press here enter key, the next number will come automatically. I will not need to write it myself. Dial key, backspace. So this is bullets and number. Bullets are also similar. Instead of showing some number, it shows some symbol. These are different symbols which are available, whichever you like. By default, it has a circle, black dot, or you can select any of them. For example, this one, anyone you like. Okay. So, but I had this one because this is my paper, and for this I think this one is suitable. So these are the bullets and numbers. These are the numbers and these are the bullets. These are used when you are writing some points, you are typing some points. Another very useful command we have, that is format painter. Format painter is, for example, I select this word and I type here Control B, I apply here Control B and then Control U and then Control I. Now this word is having 3 different styles and all these 3 have been applied on it. But when I come to this one, obviously I have to type it in normal way, so I disable all these 3. But again, if I need it, for example this word and some other words, I need to make them again in using these 3 features, bold, italic and underline. So instead of selecting and then applying these 3 styles again, what can I do? I can select this one, I double click on format painter, it will copy the style of this word and I just paint it on the words or sentences where I need to apply. As you can see, I don't need to apply any command, I am just painting it. I am painting these styles. So whichever style, color, formatting options the selected word will have, that will be painted on the word on you are applying it. Press escape key. Okay, this has come in the next line. Press here del key, it will come back. So these are the basic commands which you can apply. Hopefully you have understood it. In next lesson we will try to understand some more commands. Thank you very much.